This is an instructional video for taking measurements for your two-prong belt or your Cobra Buckle Belt. You will need masking tape or a pen, measuring tape, webbing, rope or cord, and your turnout pants. If you have an existing belt in place, that could be used to measure as well. So the most convenient way to do this is to take your existing belt, cinch it down exactly how you want it, disconnect it, and take the measurement alongside your measuring tape. That way it's already fitted to what you have. The next way to do it is to use your webbing, place it around your waist, and take the measurement there. Take this measurement, place it along your measuring tape, and that will give you your waist size. One thing to keep in mind is if you plan to wear your uniform Class B pants or your workout shorts or just be in your underwear, however you prefer to wear your turnout pants, that's something to keep in mind because you want to wear something similar when you take your measurements.